Welcome to Wingo, Dimag Wali Housie. First and foremost, I'll tell you what Wingo is all about and how to play it. Wingo is a fun, simple, casino-themed smart housey game. Let's take you through. On the left, we have the slot machine. On the right, we have the timer. And below, we have the ticket. The ticket has 5 columns, each represented by 5 casino icons. Every column has 12 boxes, and in all, the ticket has 60 boxes. Objective of the game is to fill as many boxes as possible with numbers and in turn to score the most points. Now, let me show you how to play the game. When the game begins, the slot machine will spin and a number and an icon will appear. For instance, we have 21 and cherry. Now you have to place the number 21 only in the cherry column in any box you like, just by clicking on the box. It can be this or even this. You get a few seconds to place a number based on the timer. Then a new number and icon will spin. For instance, now we have 40 and bell. Now you need to put 40 in the bell column, anywhere you like. Then again the slot machine spins and say now we have 52 and cherry. Note, there is only one important rule to remember when placing the numbers in the column. All the numbers in a column have to be in an ascending order, that is from small to big. Again, all the numbers have to be in an ascending order from small to big in a column. That is, 52 cannot be placed above 21. It can be placed anywhere below 21. It can be directly placed below 21 or 2 boxes below 21 or even 5 boxes below 21. However you like. In the game of Wingo, where to place the number is where the skill lies in. Likewise, numbers will keep coming from 1 to 90. Aim is to fill as many boxes as possible. And that is how you play the game. The game ends when all the numbers from 1 to 90 are out. Now, coming to some nitty-gritties of the game. The timer represents how much time you have to place the number. Once the timer runs out, you won't be able to place the number. To place a number that is shown in the slot machine, you have to click a particular box you want to place it in. In case you want to change the location of the number you just have placed, click on the other box where you want to place it and the number will shift to that box. In case if you want to delete the last placed number, simply click on it. Note, all the changes can happen only till the timer is on. Once the timer runs out, you cannot undo. Apart from the 5 icons, we also have a wild icon. When the wild icon appears, you can place the number that comes along in any column that you like. But you still have to follow the ascending order rule. These are all the rules of the game. Now let's go on to the scoring. As mentioned earlier, the objective of the game is to fill as many boxes as possible with numbers in order to score the most points. Remember, the higher the points you score, the higher your chance of you winning. Our game has 5 scoring criteria. Every completed column will give you 150 points. So if you have successfully completed 3 columns, you get 450 points. And if you completed all 5 columns, you get 750 points. In the game, there are 3 blocks. If you complete one block, you get 200 points, and if you complete all 3, you get 600 points. We have special rows that have additional scoring ability. Note, this is not mandatory to follow, but if you achieve it, you will get additional points. For example, in the top row, if you can place all odd numbers or all even numbers, you score 150 points. Similarly, for the last row. Next, we have 3 rows marked by ascending. If you can fill the numbers in that row in an ascending order, that is from left to right, the numbers grow small to big, you get 250 points for each row. And those are a lot of points, but it is very challenging to do that. This brings us to the end of our scoring scenario. Note, 1 and 2 criteria are simpler and easy to fetch, but 3 and 4 are challenging. However, if you can accomplish the 3 and 4th criteria, you will be able to gain a lot of points and you will be closer to winning the game. Our 5th criteria is you get 10 points for every number on your ticket. So end of the game, if you have filled 40 boxes, you get 400 points for that. Now that we know how to play and score the game, let me show you where to find and how to play the game. You will get a link. Click the link and you'll arrive at the login page. Punch in your ID which we will give you, and once you log in, then press play now and then you will arrive at the game page. Please wait and the game should begin in some time according to the timeline given to you. In this casino themed housey, place your numbers smartly and you should win the game. And this is Wingo for you. All the best, and I hope you enjoy Wingo, Dimag Wali Housey.